Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's video is about fire, Islamic reflections of fire. Before we begin, please subscribe and inshallah you'll get good deeds for it. So first of all, I want to start off by saying that whenever we think about fire, we can think of Jahannam. And Jahannam is a very scary place. Take all the pain you've ever gone through, all the sadness, and Jahannam is worse than that. We should remember Jahannam because it makes us remember that there are consequences for our actions, and it helps keep us accountable. Another thing about fire is that we should remember that there is benefit to it. That even though fire can create many bad situations, forest fires, smoking, all these stuff, despite all of that, there is benefit to it. It can help us cook food. If you don't have any electricity for some reason, it gives you light and it gives you warmth, and among other things. And there's something, and the reason I'm bringing this up is because I want us to remember that there are benefit in whatever happens to us in this life. Whether that be that it can remind us of Jannah, Jahannam, or whether that be worldly benefit, or whatever, there is some sort of reason why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is doing it. Whatever happens, there's a reason for it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala doesn't create without purpose. He creates with purpose. And when we remember that, it helps keep us both accountable and it keeps us hopeful. Another thing about fires is that we should remember that this fire, as powerful as it is, how it can burn entire forests, how something as simple as a match can burn an entire house, how it can create warmth and light, how it can cook and how it can hurt, and all this stuff. But don't forget that despite all of that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He's more powerful than that. He's more powerful than any of this. He created all of that. Whenever we think of anything, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He's the one who's more powerful than it. And He is the one who decided everything. Whenever you are getting into despair, getting into hopelessness, just remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He is the most merciful and the most powerful. If you feel like the situation is hopeless, don't forget that He can do anything. Never forget these things. These things are important to us. It helps keep us our faith. This is one of the reasons why I think zikr is so underrated. It's because zikr can help us understand these situations. It helps us understand how powerful Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is. And we can never fully understand it, but we can attempt to, and that's what matters, is attempting it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khairan kaseera for watching. Please subscribe and inshallah you get good deeds for it.